welcome you guys when I tell you I am so excited to be back with another video. It is time. It is Christmas craft season, y'all. And I am here with my first craft video and I'm super excited, y'all. I don't even know what to call it. I don't even know, but we're going to come up with something. As you can see, I got a whole lot of goodies here. I've got wrapping paper. I've got a big bag of candy. So this is going to be my first holiday craft for the season, and I decided to keep it real easy, keep it smooth and simple, because I want to ease my way back into the craft season. Okay, y'all? So look, I actually saw this young lady named Kimberly Nicole. She did this little jumbo type candy filled roll. She did this cute little concept, and I think you are going to love it. And of course, I want to put my little spin on it. Shout out to Kimberly Nicole, y'all. What she did was she took some of these little craft rolls, look like little toilet paper rolls that you can get on Amazon, and she stuffed it with candy. She wrapped it really, really pretty. And I was like, hey, this would be a really, really cool gift idea for kids. It would be a cool thing to do for your kids at church, you know, just any little thing that you want to do with these. So I am super excited and I cannot wait to get started. I cannot wait to see how it turns out. So without further ado, y'all, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so we ready to get started with what I'm calling my jumbo candy surprise, okay? That's what we're going with, all right? So I got everything here that I'm going to need. Of course, we're gonna need some candy. Of course, we're gonna need the rolls that I was telling you about. And we're gonna need some wrapping paper. So I went ahead and pre-cut out some little pieces that we will use. I've got my scissors. Of course, we need tape. And I've got some little, this is some gift ribbon, and this is some ornaments right here that we can use to decorate the ends. So we're just gonna play around with this and see exactly how it goes, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and stuff our candy rolls with the candy. Of course, I got a big bag of candy from Sam's, and it's just some little Tootsie Roll Pops in there. And then I picked up a bag of Airheads from the Dollar Tree because mostly this bag has Tootsie Rolls in there, and my kids, they don't like Tootsie Rolls, so they're like, oh my goodness, why did you pick this type of candy? But nevertheless, this is what we're gonna use. So what we're gonna do is just stuff some candy in here. We've got at least one Airhead on the inside. I love Tootsie Rolls, so everybody's gonna get a Tootsie Roll inside, okay? But what I was thinking was this would definitely make good little holiday gift giving, you know, something simple, something that's inexpensive. And another thing I thought about, I'm like, people that go to work, like, you can just really just kind of slide this in somebody's on somebody's desk. This will make good little gifts to give away also to people you work with. So keep that in mind as well. I'm curious to see exactly who you guys would gift these to. So let me know down in the comments. Are you thinking kids? Are you thinking church members? People at your job? Like, y'all just let me know, okay, who this would be good for. Maybe the kids at your children's school. Like, these would definitely make great gift ideas for them. So what I've done, I've went ahead and stuffed my little roll. As you can see, I've got it filled. And of course, you can use whatever candy that you want inside. I choose to go with a hard candy because I did not want any chocolate or anything like that at this point, okay? So I'm gonna stick a little bit of tape on the ends just to keep everything in place while I am working. Of course, y'all already know Dollar Tree tape never fails me. All right, so now that we have our candy stuffed inside the roll, so the next thing we are going to do is take our little gift paper, and we're just gonna roll it up on the inside. So I love this little cute little paper design here. It has a little girl on there with a teddy bear, so this will definitely be good for the girl. So we're gonna take it, and I am just going to roll it on the inside. In the video that I saw, of course, they used gift tissue paper. You can also use that as an option, but I was thinking gift wrapping paper would probably be better just because it's a little more sturdy. And if you wanna go ahead and do some of these in advance, this will definitely save a lot of time. All right, so we've got it all wrapped around, and the next thing we're gonna do is just tie a ribbon around the end, okay? All right, so I wanna make sure it's centered, and I'm gonna get my ribbon. This paper has a little golden a little gold in it, so I want to wrap it in the gold gift ribbon. So I'm going to use the gold this time, y'all. All right. So I hope you are having an amazing, amazing year. Look, like I said, it's been so long since I have done a craft. It seemed like it's been forever. So I'm pretty excited about getting back into the swing of things. And I hope you are as well. For those who have been joining my weekly lives, I have been doing a few little lives. So I appreciate you guys, of course, for doing that. And now we're going to add it to both ends. Y'all know I gotta come in and do my little thing. I gotta make sure what I call zhuzh it up. I'm gonna zhuzh it up and put my little spin on it as usual. So far, this is what it looks like, y'all. This is how it's coming along. I wanna make sure that I tie this pretty tight. Like I said, that's the reason I wanted to use gift wrapping paper, because it is more sturdy, it will hold, and I do have some wiggle room to work with it, y'all. All right, so far this is what it's looking like, y'all. Okay, so what else are we going to do? Let's keep moving right along. So I got a Christmas little ornament, which I think that might be cute. Then again, I've got some bells. I might drop this gold bell from it, y'all. Let's just see. Let's just see what we come up here with. Let's see what we come up here with. Y'all know most of the time I like to go ahead and pre-do. I guess kind of like pre-do what I'm gonna do. But this time I'm like, hey, we just gonna go with it. I'm just gonna wing it, y'all. I'm just gonna wing it and see how it comes out. It looks simple enough. All right. So we jingling up in here, y'all. We are jingling up in here. So we've got this. I think what I want to do is cut off some of the end paper. That's what we're going to do. Cut off the end just a bit. Still trying to leave some kind of form on the end. Just kind of cutting it at an angle so it won't look so straight on the end. I think that is cute. Another thing I was thinking about, I'm like, this might make a good ornament for the tree. So, hey, that's another idea. So we got a little jingle bell on here. And then I also picked up some little to and from little gift tags. So let's get out a gift tag. This is gonna be a girl, so let's make this really, really cute. We are going to drape her with a good little Mrs. Claus gift tag, y'all. So of course I picked these up at the Dollar Tree, and they just kind of something to give it a little more pizzazz to it, I would say. It comes with a little tiny pinpoint hole here. All right, so I am going to slide it right along the side of our gift, and we will tie it off just like this. So y'all know I love to customize. I like to make it personal. I mean, I'm gonna put to Johnny from Kaylin, just in case I decide to let my kids take these to school and gift them to their friends. Well, at least my youngest anyway. But that is cute. They gave it a nice little customized tag there. So that's gonna be really, really cute. So of course I'm gonna take my ribbon and I'm gonna curl it. I'm always curling these ribbons too tight. So let's see here. Let's try to keep it a little loose. All right, so here we go. We are jingling all the way. We are just jingling. Oh my goodness. Easy and simple, y'all. How is that? How cute is that? How cute is that, y'all? So this, like I said, you can take these, you can gift them to kids. Of course, I'm gonna leave the link to the rolls in the description box, y'all. So go ahead and grab them up. Make these cute little gifts. If you're a crafter, these would be good to make if you want to sell them. Of course, I would not sell just one. I would probably do like a minimum order of maybe 4 or 5, and you can set your price, whether you want to charge $20 for 4, if you want to charge $25 for 5. You can just judge it up however you want to do it. 6 for $25, something like that. Keep it easy, keep it simple. To and from, customized tag here. Oh my goodness, these came out really cute. These came out really cute. But you can add, you can take away from it, however you want to fix it up. It is yours to just do it however way you want. But I think these came out really, really cute. I think somebody would love to get a nice little surprise wrapped real pretty. Got a little bit of jingle. Has a nice little present with their names on it, customized. I appreciate you guys so much. First craft of the season, real easy, simple DIY concept. Y'all let me know down in the comments how you like it. If you will be trying it, y'all just let me know, okay? I appreciate you as always. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.